need 3 limones enteros. We're going to squeeze 3 whole lemons. Una taza de miel, 1 whole cup of honey. Mitad de una cebolla roja, half of a red onion. Y lo vamos a licuar. Let's blend. Lo voy a echar en el mismo potecito de miel. I'm going to add it to the same jar of honey that I have. En la nevera por 2 semanas. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for like a good 2 weeks. Vamos a tomarnos una cucharita diario. I will drink like a teaspoon a day. I can't say que ricura, but I'm sorry I can't. But it's